Livingston,
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
We're so thankful to be at Small Hope Bay again for Thanksgiving to celebrate with everyone.
It's great. I love it. Thankful for all the opportunities to be here. Thankful for the staff. Thankful for family and fellowship.
Happy Thanksgiving from Small Hope Bay. I'm thankful for family, friends, and Small Hope friends that are friends for a lifetime.
Happy Thanksgiving from Small Hope. I'm thankful for living on a beautiful island and our wonderful crew of return guests that we have this year.
Don't lick nobody, don't lick nobody, don't lick nobody.
Happy Thanksgiving. We are thankful for our little baby on the way.
Happy Thanksgiving! Woo!
I'm thankful for Jim.
I'm thankful, actually.
Sunny cry all day, bullfrog dress up in soldier clothes.
Happy Thanksgiving! I am super grateful for Small Hope Bay. I'm thankful for friends and family and thankful for our health and scuba diving. I am grateful for all those things too, and I'm grateful for meeting so many fun new friends this week and sharing so many memories with loved ones. It's been the best week.
I'm so grateful for Thanksgiving with amazing friends that we've made here at Small Hope. Friends that we've known for over 10 years who are still working here, and we're so grateful to see Dennis and Ricardo and meet new people as well. And so very grateful to be here with family. And number one, most thankful for Jesus Christ, who gives me all the feelings of gratitude for he gave everything for all of us. So happy Thanksgiving.
I'm very thankful for beautiful creatures in the ocean and that we get to have the chance to dive them and see them here at a beautiful place in the Bahamas. And I'm thankful for all the family and friends I have here and all the new friends I've made along this trip.
Happy Thanksgiving. We are so blessed to be here at Small Hope Bay. We just love it here so much and all of the wonderful people that work here. I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful for God who loves me. I'm grateful for my travel agency business that can bring us and a lot of people here.
Ordering these big time dish they talking, but steak and all them.
Happy Thanksgiving to you all. I am thankful for everyone here at Small Hope, all the good friends and food we're about to have, and hope you're having a lovely day.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving! I'm grateful for my lovely family.
Happy Thanksgiving. I'm grateful for just life and being with good people.
Happy Thanksgiving! I'm grateful for my crystal best goldfish that I got this morning.
Happy Thanksgiving. I'm so grateful for the wonderful weather and to be here with family.
Happy Thanksgiving. Super grateful to be out here with some really friendly people.
Know them long time. Listen, let me tell you, you gotta get some old yam and some old pumpkin.
Happy Thanksgiving. I'm very thankful to be able to work at Small Hope and meet all the lovely people I have over the past 3 years. And I've made some wonderful friends, and I'm really thankful for that. And I'm thankful for my family being safe and sound back at home.
Happy Thanksgiving! This year I'm thankful to be here on Antros with all the beautiful diving, beautiful people, and the beautiful food we're about to have.
Native food, pea soup and roe boy, guinea corn, hominy and lard, steamed conch and johnny cake, crab and hominy, steamed jackfish. You gotta get some stew fish and potato bread and thing like that. You see? Listen, now just to go off the course for a little bit here, I got some friends have a habit of coming in wearing big time shit. Fella come here the other night tell me, say, boy, he say, I wearing a $25 custom made shirt. And I look at him and laugh because I remember when all of you used to thank God for Robin Hood flour. That's right.
I just wanted to say a few things on behalf of Jeff, who could not be here this evening. A big thank you for you guys for choosing Small Hope Bay and sharing your family and stuff with us.
I hope that you enjoy Small Hope. There's a feel that you won't get anywhere else. It's family, it's relaxed, it's shoes off, no worries, no calories.
Down Burma Road. That's where it's at. Believe it or not, folks. That's where it's
Happy
at.
Thanksgiving. I'm grateful for life.
Yes, indeed. All right, y'all. Going down Burma Road. Going down Burma